Alright, so the video is basically over now, but I did say at the beginning that I did have some news for y'all. Again, it's kind of bad news, but at the same time, it also means it's another project for us to chronicle on the channel. So I would have preferred what happened not happen, but it does give me more material to record and bring to you, the viewers. But the thing is, the Mustang is down. Mustang is out of commission right now. It runs, but I basically need a new motor. A couple weeks ago, I was on my way home from work. I was on my way to work and started acting funny. Now, mind you, I had just changed my oil too, so I had fresh 6 quarts of oil in it. But I guess somehow, some way before that, I don't know, maybe I had went too long without changing my oil, but I don't really think I had been that long, but maybe I had been. Because, you know, from the last Mustang video, I had done my timing components and everything. Oil really hadn't been changed since then, so maybe I had been too long. But I was getting oil pressure warning messages, and that's when I actually went on and changed my oil. And right after I changed my oil, the car was tapping really loud, like ridiculously loud tapping. I didn't understand why, of course. So that went on for a couple of days or whatever. I thought at first maybe because I had put like too light of a weight oil in there. So put some stabilizer in it, still tapping, still tapping. And of course, mind you, I'm thinking, okay, this is top end, it's not the bottom end. But the top end was tapping. Stabilizer didn't help, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy some heavier weight oil like I normally run in the car. That didn't fix it. So the very next morning after I changed the oil the second time, it was giving me warnings. I was like, I got fresh oil. I'm thinking, maybe did I blow something? Do I have a leak? Stopped the car, pulled the dipstick, plenty of oil, fresh oil, brand new oil, changed the night before. And went on to work, left work, was on my way, pick up my uncle, and the car shut off on me. I'm like, oh my gosh, I know this engine did not just go on me. Coasted up into a parking lot, sat there for a few minutes, tried to start it, car turned over. I said, oh, engine is not locked up. Okay, that's good. But still running rough. It was running rough. So I just had it towed to the dealership. They told me they told me my cam phasers were messed up. The crank is worn. They say the crank is worn. And I guess this is what they're assuming this, because from what he told me, they didn't actually tear anything apart, because all they did was charge me $125 for diagnostic. And he also said my timing components were probably worn, which I just done the timing, of course. But yeah, so the Mustang is down. I'm looking for a motor. I need a business address to ship it to, so I'm gotta handle that. And then I'm gonna put another motor in the Mustang. This is the whole reason why I'm driving this Jetta right now. I'm driving around in a rental because both my truck is down, and if I didn't already tell y'all that, the truck went down beginning of November. The truck needs a transmission. So yeah, I'm in a rental now because nothing that I own right now is running. But that means more content for the channel that'll be coming soon. So hey, again, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.